Hi guys, Lee here with your free market update. Let's take a look at Monday morning's trades here, guys. One in the FTSE and one in crude oil. FTSE trade, we're making £339 from this morning's buy signal. And crude oil here is bringing in also about 385, 388 on a long £5 long trade on US crude oil this morning. Let's just take a look at the setups here and the strategies used. So FTSE 100, we're looking at the 5-minute time frame here. We completely sold off this morning, so it was bearish trades this morning. If you're looking for short side trades in the FTSE, we got a red pro trading system and we dropped dramatically lower from around, let's have a little look where we were. We were looking for shorts, or it started to give us short signals of 71.28, dropped all the way down to 71.80. So a very nice 30 points on that one and 20 points on that. So nice 50 points to the downside. So that was a nice short trade if you got that. But this open trade here, we looked for the long side trades. So we looked at the pro trading system buy zones here. We got buy zones on the pro trading system. We pushed up really nicely and still got this trade open. I think if we get above this resistance area here on the 5-minute chart, you can see on the left hand side we've got this gap from the Sunday night. We gapped down. So Sunday night the market's open, stock indexes, FX open, and we gapped down quite nicely here. Now we did rally back up and virtually half filled the gap. Let me just have a little look here. Just roughly take that half fill around 71.41. We're close. We didn't quite get there on that half gap fill, but I was tucked away in bed then, not trading that half gap fill. But then it's this trade on the morning move, and this is the one that we go for, this early morning move, the one down here and the one that I'm currently in to the long side to the upside. And it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. We're pretty much done for the day with our day's income on this. But let's see if we can get through this 71.37, then the final gap here, which is around 71.50, I think will be met. Looking at it from a bigger point of view, from a swing trading point of view on the FTSE, let's put in our profit targets. Here's on the daily chart of the FTSE 100. You can see that we had the sell signals here around 72.38. We are stopped just above that zone there, perfect. And then we've hit first target, which is 70.97. So today was a day, if you're swing trade short the FTSE, you want to bank some profit. We've got another target all the way down here at 72.29. Sorry, 67.29, which comes right in with that major support area in February, in January, February time. So will we get down there? Well, we don't know. At the moment, we're still lovely, nicely red. We're still in a lower lows and lower highs on the trend. We hit first profit target. This is a nice area to bank some profits if you are short. But the day trade is up nicely, about 356.59 on that, and crude oil is in the 360 area profit on that one as well. In fact, why don't we just take a little look at crude oil here and just show you what we were looking for this morning on this. So crude oil was a short side trade at 61.52 zone, stopped just above the highs, profit target 59.14. And today, well, in fact it wasn't today, I was away on holiday last week, but this was a lovely trade because we hit the second profit target was $52.77, guys. So a really nice, nearly 1,000 pointer to the downside short trade, which we're always trying to make about 3 to 4 of those years per year. If we can get 3 to 4 1,000 point profits trades, then that grows the account very nicely indeed. And if we're doing that with decent position sizing, then that's going to be a good trade. But absolutely no no stress, no worry about placing this trade. We got the signal and we got the Pro Trading System short in here and the projected profit target. So some excellent results here on the PTS. And so what I was looking for today, with that target being met, when you're a day trader, you know, it's obviously we're looking for a little bit more than sitting back and just letting those trades come in like you could perfectly do for a swing trader. Swing trader, remember, is somebody that's placing a trade, as I say, today, and then holding it for a minimum of 2 days, possibly as long as you've got that signal. So, you know, you could be in a trade for 3 or 4 weeks. You could be in a trade for this like oil trade here. We're in this to the short side. There was the signal. I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, nearly 1,000 point profit on that. And as the FTSE trade starts to get above that area, we're going for that profit target, guys. So we should be there at that 71.50 quite soon. Okay, so using the profit targets allows us to take some day trades as well around those, and a lovely buy signal here on crude oil. That's coming in and bringing us, that entry was 53.17. So we had the PTS buy signal just here. That's 17 area. So we've got the buy signal, went along here, £5 a point, and it's running up quite nicely. So by using the daily Pro Trading System target, we can expect bounces from those targets, and we can take advantage of those intraday as well. All right, so 2 trades today. We're nearly up. We're nearly up £1,000, and it's only 11 a.m. All right, so if you want to see us taking these trades, guys, it's all part of the Pro Trader program. You get the Pro Trading System. You get to watch us trade live every morning, and come and join us. All right, and we can show you some of these trades that we're doing. All right, hope it helps, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video, and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.